Not a bad whiting. Oh, look at that.
Looks like them Lebanese will get if you catch me. How are you?
I'm alright.
Yeah, when you going overseas?
Next year.
I'll get my rod, get the other rod here.
Next year you going?
Oh yeah, next year.
Where do you want?
It's recording, it's recording. It's recording, it's recording. Look at me, look at me. No, not that person.
What do I get that on me? Thursday.
It's a fucking whiting.
Yeah.
Or an eel. No, it's a good whiting.
Gee, look at that whiting.
It could be arse hooked the way he's swimming.
Oh, look at this.
It's not wiring.
Gee, it's a big one, huh?
No, it ain't. It's a fucking kingy.
Maybe it's a kinky. Yeah.
No, it's a pike.
Pike.
It's Pike.
What kind of fish? What kind of?
Look at that on the tail.
Right in the arse, yeah.
Yeah, that's pike.
What kind of fish is that?
That's what they call them, pike. I don't know what kind of fish they
Good to eat.
No.
I never tried it, but
are. I don't know. They're good to eat or
I
not.
thought it was a big dewy.
Well, in the book, got pike.
You got him in the book?
Oh, man, look at that.
Right in the arse, yeah. That's what I said he was hooked.
No wonder it was so strong. Look at that. These are one sweet, beautiful fish, I tell you. Oh yeah.
Is he on there?